In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade to Shopify Plus. We'll walk through the entire process inside your Shopify admin, step by step, so you know exactly what to expect before you confirm anything on your account. Start by logging into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're in, move your attention to the lower left-hand corner of the screen. You'll see a menu item labeled Settings. Go ahead and click that. This opens a new page with a list of options along the left side. From this list, look for the option called Plan and click on it. This is where Shopify shows you all the details about your current subscription. At the top right of the first card on this page, you'll see a button labeled Change Plan. Click that to begin the upgrade process. You'll now be taken to a page that lists all the available Shopify plans. Scroll through the options until you find the Shopify Plus plan. When you see it, click the button that says Select Plus. This opens a page that highlights the key features and benefits of the Plus plan, so you can review what you're getting before you commit. On the same page, Shopify will ask you to enter some business information. First, type in your legal business name exactly as it appears on your official documents. Next, you'll be asked for your total annual revenue in US dollars. Enter your best current estimate or the most recent actual figure. Below that, you'll see a checkbox that states you do not sell in a regulated industry. Make sure you read that carefully, and if it applies to your business, check the box. Once everything looks accurate, scroll to the bottom right and click Continue. The next step is to add or confirm your payment method. Here you'll also choose your term length for Shopify Plus. You can usually select either a 1-year or a 3-year term. Take a moment to consider which option makes the most sense for your business in terms of budget and commitment. On the right-hand side of the page, you'll see a billing summary. Review this carefully. It will show your charges, the term you selected, and any other important billing details. Under the summary, there's a checkbox confirming that you accept and agree that you are authorized to make this change and that you've read and agreed to the Shopify Plus terms. Make sure you understand this, then check the box. Once all your details are correct and you're comfortable with the information shown, the final step is simple. Click Subscribe. After a moment, your account will process the change and your store will be upgraded to Shopify Plus.